Is adultery grounds for divorce? Have you ever wondered if cheating can actually lead to a divorce? Today, we will discuss whether adultery serves as a legal ground for divorce and what that means for those involved. Adultery is often viewed as a fault-based ground for divorce in many places. This means that one spouse's misconduct, such as infidelity, can be cited as a reason for ending the marriage. So, what exactly is adultery? In legal terms, it typically refers to voluntary sexual intercourse between a married individual and someone who is not their spouse. It is important to note that emotional or mental affairs do not usually qualify unless they result in physical acts. Some jurisdictions may even have specific definitions that include various types of sexual conduct. Now, proving adultery can be quite difficult. In many cases, substantial evidence is required to support the claim. This might include witness testimony, documentation, or other forms of proof. Some jurisdictions set a high standard for this evidence, requiring what is known as clear and convincing proof. This means the court needs to be strongly persuaded that the adultery actually took place. When it comes to divorce proceedings, adultery can influence several important aspects. For instance, how marital property is divided or how alimony is awarded may be affected. A spouse who has committed adultery might receive a smaller share of the marital property or may be required to pay more in alimony. Child custody decisions are another area where adultery can have an indirect impact. While the act of cheating itself is not a direct factor in custody arrangements, it can shape the court's view of a parent's character or stability. Interestingly, even if adultery has occurred, couples often have the option to pursue a no-fault divorce. This approach allows them to avoid the complexities of proving fault. However, choosing between fault-based and no-fault grounds can affect strategic decisions regarding property and alimony. In practice, whether to file for divorce based on adultery largely depends on the specific circumstances and legal requirements in your area. Consulting with a family law attorney is often a wise choice. They can help clarify the legal and emotional implications involved. Understanding the differences between fault-based and no-fault divorce grounds is essential for navigating the divorce process effectively.